Well, welcome back to my channel. I am of course Ferrari King, and today we're going to discuss, how to clean glassware in labs. This is actually an easy tip. Most of y'all could probably do. As you notice, there's fluid in here. This is hydrochloric acid, less than 5 mils. You don't need that much. You can actually clean a lot of glassware with just this amount. Let's try this one because it's the worst one. You see how it fizzed a bit? Now look how clean it is. Look how much cleaner it now is. Well, as long as you roll it all the way around. Sorry about that. I'm not the best at doing these videos, as you can tell, but as you can tell, see how much better that is. You just gotta make sure you go all the way around, and then there's still enough for the next beaker. I'm sorry, flask. Now all this will be clean. All you gotta do, this is hydrochloric acid. You can use sulfuric acid if you want. It's not gonna really matter too much. Of course, if you have like writing on your thing here, just use ethanol, and it will remove that for you. Just use simple ethanol, just a small amount of ethanol or acetone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Watch my other videos. Don't forget to check the description for a link to my website where I sell 99-cent ebooks. Thanks for watching.